Hey friends, today, I'm breaking down the basics of clinical research, something you might have heard tossed around in science classes. But what does it actually mean, and why does it matter? Alright, let's start simple. Clinical research is basically the science of studying people, to answer questions about health and disease. Unlike lab experiments with test tubes or animal models, clinical research is all about real humans. The goal? To find out if new treatments, drugs, or strategies actually work, and if they're safe. So, how does it all begin? It usually starts with a question, let's say, does this new medicine help people recover from headaches faster? Researchers design a study, and this design matters a lot. The gold standard is what's called a randomized controlled trial. That's where participants are randomly assigned to either get the new treatment or a placebo, a sugar pill, basically, and no one knows who's getting what. This helps keep the results fair and unbiased. Now, before anyone can join a study, researchers need to go through a process called ethical approval. That means convincing a bunch of experts that the study is safe and that participants' rights are protected. This is super important because people's health and privacy are on the line. Okay, once a study gets the green light, volunteers, called participants, are recruited. They're often given detailed info about what's involved, and they have to sign something called informed consent. This just means they understand what they're getting into and agree to take part. As the study runs, researchers collect data. This could be anything from blood pressure readings to how quickly symptoms improve. After the study wraps up, the results are analyzed to see if the treatment actually worked and if there were any unexpected side effects. And here's the cool part, even if a study finds that a new treatment doesn't work, that's still super valuable. It stops doctors from wasting time and resources on something that isn't helpful, and it keeps patients safe. Finally, the results usually get published in medical journals, so other scientists and doctors can learn from them. That's how clinical research moves medicine forward, step by step. So to sum it up, clinical research is all about asking questions, running safe and fair experiments, and using the answers to help people live healthier lives. If you're interested in science, medicine, or just want to make a difference, it's a field worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helped demystify the world of clinical research.